Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am making a dill pickle pizza. I heard a guy at work talking about it and I just had to come home and give it a try. We're starting out with a sourdough crust that I made. I will give the instructions on how to do a sourdough crust in a different video. We can link that all together. So we're going to start out with some ranch. I just, by the way, Googled dill pickle pizza on the internet and came up with this. So some called for a garlic aioli. I am being lazy. I bought President's Choice ranch dressing. And we're gonna spread this over my sourdough crust like so. I'm really hoping it tastes something like a deep fried dill pickle, except, you know, baked on a pizza. The pizza dough is a little bit browner than you might see because I used unbleached bread flour to make the dough. I'd be happy. Spread some cheese.
What kind of cheese?
It's mozzarella cheese. We're spreading mozzarella cheese. Next, we're going to bring out some pickles. So here we have some very thinly sliced dill pickles, thanks to my daughter, who was a great help getting this pizza ready for me, because I had to work today. We're just gonna... I have seen pictures where they're very nicely laid out with these lovely circles, but these are very skinny pickles, and gotta be honest, I don't have that much invested that I'm gonna spread them all out one at a time. Just gonna do my best. I think most people would probably be in the same camp, I'm assuming. Not gonna spend a whole day spreading out to make sure the pickles don't overlap. There we go. That's me. It's a good enough. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of dill weed. I did see a video that gave a little squirt of hot sauce, but I think we'll just leave it like this. There we go. And from here, I am going to, it's a pretty simple pizza, really. It is not taking a lot of effort, not a lot of toppings. Anyway, got my pizza stone preheating in the oven at 550 degrees. And I'm going to, I have this on a parchment paper. I'm gonna, ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna slide this over, making sure I've got the gloves on the right hands. I've had it preheating for probably at least a half hour, closer to an hour. I'm gonna pop this in and I'm gonna set the timer for 15 minutes. I have had the pizza stone heating in the oven for about an hour at 550 degrees, and I'm going to cook it at 550 degrees for about 15 minutes. See you in 15. I've just taken the pizza out of the oven and this is how it looks. I think it looks beautiful. It looks delicious, actually. Alright. Here is is it recording?
Yep.
Here is the cutting of the pizza and my first victim.
First victim. That's recorded.
Alright, and the first victim, which happens to be Rob's Garage Woodworking. He's a bit of a fussy eater, doesn't love to try new things, so let's see how it goes. The crust looks absolutely beautiful. You can't see it, but wow, lovely. Kids, you want some? You don't have to.
Yeah, in a minute.
Smells like dill pickles.
So, is it still videoing?
Yeah, but you don't have to eat it in front of the camera.
I want some.
Is it hot?
No.
I don't know if I can do it. You want some? Yeah.
Yes.
We'll get you some.
It's good.
Is it?
Maybe you could use some more ranch.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Alright, wish me
Maybe it
luck.
could have used a little hot sauce.
Really? I don't know. Let's Smells like pickles.
Tastes good.
Smells like dill.
It's a little underwhelming. It's not quite as yummy as I hoped. It's delicious.
Why would you make a dill pickle pizza?
I feel like it could use some more ranch. Maybe better ranch. I'm not sure.
Alright, it's not actually bad.
What do you think, Clover?
We could dip it in ranch.
You could dip it in ranch.
I like it. It's really good.
That's weird.
It's good.
I'm not sure that I
Yeah.
like it,
I
but
like
it's
it.
not bad.
I got some things I want to tweak on it, but I think it's good.
The dough is really good.
The dough is great, isn't it? Best dough I
Which
think
is
I've
your
ever
best
made.
dough yet?
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I will try it again. Maybe I'll try it with the garlic aioli instead of the ranch dressing.
I don't even know what that is.
It's aioli. You don't need to know. You don't need to know.
You talk about food like I talk about car parts.
It's alright. It's pretty. It was good. I'm glad I made it.
That's weird. Okay, I don't think I want another one, but it's not bad.
Thumbs up, man. I'll try it again. Should I make it again, Clover?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.